Hello everyone, I'm back with a very special video as it is Independence Day today. So I made these three very unique and interesting DIYs just for you. Do watch until the end, and this one's my favorite. Okay, for the first DIY, let's make a beautiful peacock as it's our national bird. So take a piece of cardboard and draw the outline of a peacock like I'm doing here. You can use a pencil or a pen if you're confident. You could also trace out a design from the internet or any magazines. No matter what type of peacock you're drawing, just make sure that all the feathers are visible and large enough. Okay, so the drawing is ready and now it's time to cut it. So the next thing I'll be doing is to paint the peacock feathers, and for that I'm using the tricolors of the Indian national flag, saffron, white and green. Since I made 9 large feathers, I used 3 each for each of the tricolors. Now for the Dharma Chakra, which is at the center of the second band, which is white in color, I wanted to color the body of the peacock in blue. For some reason, I wanted to use color pencil, but it turned out to be really dull. Then I tried to use a crayon, blue again, a different shade though. Fortunately, it looked okay now. Next, using a blue color marker, again blue is symbolic for the Dharma Chakra at the center of the white band of the flag. So I'm going to outline the peacock's body and also the feathers. Next, I'm going to draw some mandala designs or patterns on each of the large feathers. Here's a tip. It's best to use those kind of pens which are used for doodling or for mandala art patterns. With the pens whose tips are thinner, it's very convenient to make more intricate designs. Complete the mandala design on all the peacock feathers. Mandala art is highly therapeutic, guys. If you're ever in high stress, you must try this out. Just get creative and try all that you can with all of your heart. I believe that there is nothing impossible in life if you put your heart and soul into achieving it. Similarly, repeat the patterns on white and green feathers as well. I'm using Fevicryl 3D outliner, green color shade over here. I wanted to use blue, but I didn't have that handy. So anyway, I just wanted to fill up this the body of the peacock with something glittery. I'm also outlining the wing of the peacock. This way I cover up the body of the peacock completely with glitter. And there it is, our beautiful Indian peacock is ready. But it's not complete yet. I've highlighted the outline of the peacock's body with the blue marker once again, so that there's a clear demarcation between the peacock's body and the mandala design. And this is the final look now. Using a cotton bud, I'm going to make the peacock stand. So I'm just securing it with some tape. Basically any type of clay or glue would work here. Hot glue gun can be used as well. And now watch my peacock dance. Beautiful. Now for the stand, I'm using the pot of an artificial plant. It's already got a hole pierced in it, as you can see in the foam. Now off goes the peacock into the pot, and that's it. There you have a beautiful standing peacock. Let me know in the comments if you like this DIY or not. Okay, let's make the second DIY now. For this, I'm taking a piece of cardboard once again. Make sure to fold equal portions of the cardboard on either sides and have a rectangular piece in the center, as you can see on the screen. Cut the top portions of the folded edges at an angle, as you can see here. Now it's time to paint. Get your acrylic colors out, and I'm using orange color here. Using a paintbrush, I mark out the line until where I'm going to paint with the orange color. Next, using light green acrylic color, I mark out the line and for the green band of the flag. Next, I paint the center band of the flag using white color. And it's done. Now using a blue pen, I draw the Dharma Chakra at the center of the white band. After drawing the circle, mark the center of the circle approximately. Now draw the spokes of the Dharma Chakra. I literally made sure that I drew 24 of them. Next, I'm drawing a thicker circle, and it's done. Now using a white permanent marker, I write some text on the flag. I must tell you, I'm in love with these white markers that I purchased recently. They're so versatile. I'm going to share more crafts that I make with these. And my second DIY is ready as well. It can stand like this on the two folded sides of the cardboard. How does it look? Please do let me know in the comment section. And to the final and my most favorite DIY. For this, I'm using an empty container. It must essentially be transparent like this. Peel off the sticker if there is any on the container. Just blow hot air using a hairdryer and the sticker will peel off really easily. See how easily I could peel it off? Next, apply some gesso on the surface of the container so that whatever paint we would use on it would stick onto the surface. Next, mark two lines or circles for that matter around the container. Like this. And now it's time to paint. With the open end of the container facing downwards, paint the topmost band with orange color acrylic paint. Next, using light green color, paint the bottommost band. I also painted the closed end of the container with the tricolors like this. Finally, it's time to paint white color. And it's done. But wait, we're not done yet. I'm going to make this a lamp, a tricolor lamp. For that, I'm going to use this LED lamp, which also has a little button to turn the light on and off. Place it on the lid of the container. Now place the container over the lid. Make sure it's secured tightly. And that's it. Your very own tricolor lamp is ready for use. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite DIY. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.